Okay, so let me grab our templates for us to get started. So let me put these out here. And there's 4, but I will just start with a couple and I'll talk about them a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to mark that out here on this side, right there. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mark that all the way along. That is a 1/2 inch bigger than our box. So let's see, I just marked it 1/2 inch. And then I'll have to do the same on the other side. So we'll go ahead and we'll do the next one. So once you get there, don't exit the channel. You know, when you pivot, just go ahead. Oh, do you guys see what happened? I did trap myself. So we hopped over. So when you hop over, you got to cut that thread. Otherwise, he's going to trap you. All right. So let's go ahead and we'll just keep going. And we'll keep going until we're outside the boundary of the quilt. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep my foot in place and I'm going to keep my ring in place. And I'm just going to move myself back down. And this will be double stitched, but my thread is pretty fine. So now I'm out into the boundary and I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm not trying to hide anything here. I got pens and markers falling all over the place, but you can see, so there's a little bit of a double stitch right there. But this thread is pretty fine and it's pretty light, so no big deal. So